Hey there, super thinkers! Welcome to Mind Your Logical Riddles. I'm Teena, and today we're going to test your brain power with some fun and tricky riddles. Are you ready? Awesome! Let's dive in. Here's your first riddle. Listen carefully. What has to be broken before you can use it? Any guesses? The answer is an egg. That's right. You have to crack it open before you can cook or eat it. Well done. Let's try another one. I'm tall when I'm young and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Got it. The answer is a candle. It burns down as it gets older. Tricky, huh? Here comes a super fun one. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The answer is footsteps. The more you walk, the more footprints you leave behind. Great thinking, everyone. Now let's switch things up. I have a riddle for you to solve on your own. What goes up but never comes down? Think about it and leave your answers in the comments below. I'll reveal the answer in the next episode.
Wow, you all did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big high five. Claps, keep challenging your brain with riddles, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun puzzles. See you next time on Mind Your Logical Riddles. Bye-bye.